Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand the process for these delightful treats. You'll learn how to whip up a stable meringue, fold the batter correctly, and pipe consistent shells. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound baking skills. It's easier than you think to achieve bakery-quality macarons right in your own kitchen. For perfect macarons, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and aged egg whites for the best meringue. Granulated sugar provides structure, and a tiny pinch of salt enhances flavor. Don't forget your favorite food coloring if you want to add a pop of color to your beautiful shells. Precision in measurements is key for success. The process begins by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together to ensure a smooth batter. Next, whip your egg whites with granulated sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This is your meringue. Carefully fold the dry ingredients into the meringue, a technique called macaronage, until the batter flows slowly like molten lava. This consistency is vital for those signature feet. To ensure success, tap your baking trays firmly on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, let your piped shells rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or until a slight skin forms on top. This helps prevent cracking and encourages the development of those iconic feet. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.